A warm welcome to the program Learn Twi with Opoku. This is going to be lesson 5 of our series of program that is geared towards helping people to learn how to form sentences in Twi. Good. In the previous episode, we learned to give to, and that is what? Fama, to give to. In this episode, we are going to learn how to say, bring it to me, and then bring it there, or bring it here. Later on, probably in the next episode, we introduce the definite article, and then try to construct some complex sentences. So stay tuned. Okay, let's get our pronouns ready. The pronouns that we'll be using as far as this lesson is concerned are as follows. Me, which means me or I. No, him or her. One, they or them. Let's get some nouns. The nouns that we'll be using include water, nsuo. Ha, meaning what? Here. Ho, meaning what? There. So we have nsuo, water. Ha, here. Ho, there. Thank you. What about our verb? Our verb will be fa, that is to take, and then bra, to come. But note, when we combine the two, fabra, it means bring it. And it could also mean bring it to. So take note. Well, without much ado, let's set the ball rolling. How would you say bring it? You will say fabra. That means what? Bring it. Literally, we are saying take, come. Fa, that is take. Bra, come. Fabra. That is the literal meaning. But in the actual sense, we are saying bring it. Good. Let's say you want to say bring it here. We know here is what? Ha. So in Twi we will say what? Fabra ha. That is what? Bring it here. What about bring it there? Then you say fabra ho. Good. You have seen that in all these instances, you were asked to bring something to a place, not to a person. Whenever you are to tell someone to bring something to a place, then you say fabra, then you add the place. Fabra ha, fabra ho. Fabra ho. For instance, if you want to say, okay, bring it to Hamburg, then you say fabra Hamburg. That is well understood. But in some instances, you can be asked to bring something to a person. In that instance, then we say fabre. We will not say fabra. This is a mistake that most Twi learners make. Because they have learned when we say fabra, it means bring it. Then, when they want to say bring it to me, then they will say fabra me. No. If you are bringing it to a person, then we say fabre. So if I want to say bring it to me, I will not say fabra me. No, I will say fabre me. Bring it to me. What about saying bring it to him? You will say fabreno. Bring it to him. What about saying bring it to them? Then you will say fabrewon. How would you say bring it to us? We will say fabreyen. Fabraying. 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 So, in a nutshell, this is what we are saying. When we say fa, it means to take, bra, to come. But when we add the two, fabra, it means bring it. Bring it. Bring it. And when we say fabre, then it means you are bringing it to someone, a person. Fabre me, bring it to me. But when we say fabra ho, it means bring it there. Bring it there. Bring it there. Good. In the next episode, we will try to construct a bit of complex sentences by rolling in the definite article as well as other pronouns. So stay tuned. Now our assignment. 2 questions. First question. How would you say bring it to her? Bring it to her. Number 2. How would you say bring it to Ghana? Bring it to Ghana. Let me know your answer in the comment box. Thanks for listening and keep on sharing, liking and subscribing to the channel.